Let's see next how to count the number of bulls. When the value of CNB variable is 1, we counted the number of cows. Now when the value of this variable is 2, let's count the number of bulls. Therefore, it will be fine if we create this code in the else section of the if-else code block that we created first. To count the number of bulls, we need to check whether a digit in the number given on the home screen is in the same position as the guessed number. Since the number has 3 digits, we have to repeat this code 3 times and check the 3 digits separately. Therefore, let's drag a count with code block in the control group into the else part of this if code block. In this code block, let's give 3 instead of 10 and keep the remaining values like this. As before, here to indicate which digit of the number we consider, the variable called I has been used. The value of I starts with 1 and increases 1 by 1 up to 3. Okay, now we need to check whether the I digit of the secret number variable is equal to the I digit of the guess variable. For that again, let's drag an if code block in the control into the count with code block. For the condition here, a code block with the equal sign in logic is dragged. To the left side of the equal sign, a in text ABC get letter I code block under the text is connected. Again, instead of ABC here, connect an app variable secret number code block under variables. And instead of the number 1 here, let's drag a code block with the letter I in the variables. In the same way, a in text ABC letter I code block under text is connected to the right side of the equal sign. Again, instead of ABC here, connect an app variable guess code block under variables, and instead of number 1 here, drag the code block with the letter I in variables. Now, if this condition becomes true, 1 should be added to the value of the bulls variable. I click variables and drag a change app variable secret number by 1 code block into this if code block like this. Let's change the name of the variable here to app variable bulls. Okay, now look at the code. First, the value of I becomes 1. Now let's check whether the first digit of the secret word variable is same as the first digit of the guess variable. If the condition is true, 1 will be added to the value of the bulls variable. Next, the value of I becomes 2. Now let's check whether the second digit of the secret word variable is equal to the second digit of the guess variable. If that condition is true, 1 will be added to the bulls variable again. In this way, the value of I becomes 3. Let's check again whether the third digit of the secret word variable is the same as the third digit of the guess variable. If the condition is true, 1 is added to the value of the bulls variable. In this way, the value of bulls variable increases when the location of the digit is the same as the digits. Okay, now we have finished creating the function.